In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack Huddles following the latest 2025 guide. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or showcasing your work, screen sharing can significantly enhance your collaboration experience in Slack. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Slack on your device. If you haven't already, make sure you have the Slack app installed. Alternatively, you can use Slack directly from your web browser if that's more convenient. Once you're all set with Slack, the next step is to navigate to the Huddles feature. This can be found in the left sidebar, which is usually where all your channels and direct messages are listed. Look for the Huddles icon and click on it to proceed. Now that you've opened Huddles, you'll want to start a new one. Locate the button labeled Start a Huddle. It's typically nestled among your workspaces or conversations. Clicking on it will initiate a huddle, providing you with a seamless platform for live voice conversations. If you find yourself having a hard time locating where to start the huddle, don't worry. Just look for an area in your Slack interface where you typically manage communications and shared activities. Once your huddle is up and running, it's time to share your screen. This is where the real magic happens during collaborative sessions. Look for the screen sharing option. It's generally depicted as an icon resembling a screen or monitor. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select what you'd like to share. It could be your entire screen, a specific application window, or even a particular tab in your browser. Choose the one that suits your needs best. After you've made your selection, confirm to start screen sharing, and there you go, you're now sharing your screen with others in the huddle. As you navigate through your presentation or demonstrate your point, everyone in the huddle will be able to see what you're sharing in real time. Remember, while screen sharing, it's good practice to close any unnecessary applications or tabs to ensure a smooth experience and to maintain privacy. Now you have all the steps needed to successfully share your screen in Slack Huddles. It's a straightforward process that greatly enhances the way you can interact and collaborate with your team. If you run into any trouble or have questions, Slack's support page or community forums are excellent resources. So go ahead, give it a try during your next virtual meeting and see how it transforms your remote communication experience. Happy sharing!